This is the door stopper. You can have a look. Let us fit this. It is very easy. You only require one screwdriver. These screws are so sharp you don't need drilling machine. Let us see how to install the door stopper. Place it here. As I said, these screws are very sharp. Place it and tight it. One is over. Take another one and fit it. It's over. This one over and this one over. And take another screw and tight it. And the last one, fourth. Yes. It's over. See. Now I am locking this over. The work is done in a short manner. I hope this YouTube video is useful and helpful. Let us meet again.